Yeah. Words can't describe. Oh boy. At any rate, thought I'd do a quick video here. This was my Retevis high gain GMRS repeater antenna. I should have left well enough alone. That's what I should have done. Well, as you know, I am building a different antenna mass, which is right here. And this did not cause this. I caused that. At any rate, so as I'm building that, I thought, well, let's go ahead and take this apart. You know, when I got this antenna 3 years ago, I used the Surecom to adjust SWRs. And after I got my antenna analyzer, I realized that the Surecom was not real accurate. So I thought, someday when I get this down, I'll retune all this and clean all of it up and do all that good stuff. Well, what I should have done is just left it be at 1.5 SWR and put it back on the pole, and I wouldn't be making this video. But no, I had to try to take it all apart to clean it up and make everything moves correctly. And in the process of doing that, I thought, apparently I must not have, but I thought I put anti-seize on the actual rods. The element screws came out, so I must have did that, but I must not have on the rods, or if it didn't work, or I don't know what happened. As I'm pushing down to try to break the rod loose right here to try to, loosen things up, it folded over. I bent all the, this is what happened. I should just walk away. Just walk away. Just leave it be at 1.5. Who cares if you can never adjust it? Well, at any rate, so that is done for. You can see I bent it real bad. It folded on me. I think it's bent there. I bent the ground rods, you can see. Yeah, I should have done it a lot differently, but, too late now. So, if anyone out there wants me to test an antenna, please send me an email, and I'll be glad to do a video on your antenna. If you are a antenna builder, send me one, and I'll give it a fair review. Because now I need an antenna. Although I did make with my antenna kits, you probably can't see that. I do have my 3D print antenna up there. So this was supposedly 6 dBi gain, I believe, and I think that's only going to be like a 2 or 3 dBi, I think, a quarter wave. Well, at any rate, so I got something up there temporarily. It's about a 1.4, 1.5 SWR. I'm going to do a video on this. As you see, I am not even going to put a crank on there. This pole is so light, I can just lay it down like that. I'll do another video. So there you have it. The advice I have, leave well enough alone and walk away. There you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.